The cheapest ring on my body cost 100, yeah. I got about $1 million worth from George. Look, I made a quarter up in London, yeah. Then I bought 20 chops for the hood. Look, rigged up, tag him. I give him 20 if he catch him. 4-4, blast him. Hit him up, then I'm dashing. I'm popping, I'm flashy. The bitches love me cause I'm catchy. Bad bitch, sassy. She got that fire like a dragon. Wagon, I remember.
What is going on this morning, YouTube? Well, could be afternoon or evening. Depends where you are watching this and what time I posted at, I suppose. But today is a pretty big day. We got 4 concrete trucks coming. That is for the walls of the foundation of the huge project that we're working on. I haven't quite released yet. I'm sure most of you already know. Next to the barn. So basically, I wanted to get out, film some today. As you could hopefully already tell, I got a new camera and we finally have a proper vlog set up. What better way than to break in the new camera with an update vlog showing you guys what has been going on around the barn lately. Okay, so first look inside the shop, guys, in a vlog in a very long time. If you scroll back through our videos, which if you've been following us for a while, you already know the long history with this orange WRX. So the first one got destroyed by a drunk driver. Fast forward, we got lucky, picked up this shell for $2,000. It wasn't running, and I actually got lucky enough that I was able to get this last car running that we got for $2,000. It didn't need much. Mike ended up putting 10,000 miles on this $2,000 WRX. So now, this time last year, the engine actually finally spun a rod. So, you know, for a $2,000 WRX, we were not mad at all. Basically, it just took forever to get this engine out, source a new engine, put it together, put it in, and we wanted it to be good. So, 1 year later, this thing is finally running, driving. All that's left is we need to just figure out some vacuum lines and what we're gonna be doing for a boost controller. Update number 1, barn built orange WRX should be fully back on the road middle of winter, which obviously isn't gonna do too much for us. Maybe some, you know, snow videos. We'll probably be going into a little more depth with that build shortly. We got this little red Fiat. We finally, if you know us, this was super overdue. Everyone knows this 50, the legendary 50. This thing is still kicking, but we finally got ourselves a little 110 here, and this thing is sick. It's a 2019 KLX 110L. I wanted the clutch. It's just more fun for wheelies. You could do a little more tricks with the clutch on the pitter. And it just so happened we got this up the street. Shout out our buddy TJ. You built one hell of a 110 because we've been ripping this thing for almost 3 months now. Check this thing out, guys. This thing is hooked up, man. She's dirty right now, but it's still a clean bike. Powder coated rims. He had them taken apart, powder coated, put back together. It's got the black plastics. We got all these covers. You name it, this bike's got it. All these JTI covers. Levers.
What's up?
You got this nice
Drake,
Yoshi.
you are now rocking with Hank.
Yeah, this thing is just hooked up. Pretty stoked on that. It's been super fun to have around the barn, and we finally got Mike down here. We haven't shown on YouTube, but we got another car here. Picked up this 2012 WRX about probably 2-3 months ago. Honestly, I got it for a super good deal. I'm not gonna say how much I got it for yet. If you're curious, I think I got the cheapest 2012 to, what is it? Or no, it's 2011 to 2014, this body style. I believe I got the cheapest one in the United States, running, driving, clean title, 150,000 miles. I got this thing super cheap. And I still have some things I gotta do to it. I'm definitely gonna keep this thing and I wanna do a whole build on it. Drop us some comments of what you wanna see us do to this thing. So continuing with the update video here, guys. As you can see, we still have a few hours till they get here. So me and Dylan have been messing with the 450 engine, which has been a couple month project we took on. Just being gearheads, we wanted to give it a go ourselves. It's been quite the project. It's going pretty smooth. Hopefully should be done in the next month or two.
It's your boy
Got the
Drizzy Drake,
piston
and you
on.
are now rocking with Pain.
It's looking fresh. As you can see, we got new cases, whole new bottom end basically. Just gonna be reusing the top end because we already learned how to do the bottom end. So when the top end goes, that should be a piece of cake. It's been about an hour and a half, and we made some very good progress on the engine. As you can see, it looks like an engine now again. Very stoked on that, making good progress on it. One more session, 1 or 2 sessions I would say, away from getting this thing ripping again, which I am very excited about. Well, and just like that, today's busy day is just about over. We just finished up pouring the whole foundation walls for the house. Right when we finished up that session, the concrete truck started coming. And it took 5 concrete trucks to take care of this. Couldn't really bring the camera there because of a mess. Got a couple Instagram clips I'm gonna pop
What's
in.
up? It's your boy Drizzy Drake, and you are now rocking with Pain.
The future house. Next up is the floor right there, and then we move on to the garage, which is going to be somewhere right about here. 2-car garage. It's going to be facing the barn. Should be pretty interesting. The goal basically right now is for us, car season's just about done. Fall is underway, or winter is not far behind. So the ultimate goal is to have both WRXs, the STI and the Evo, ready for next car season. That's what we're gonna be doing this winter, so we got a lot of work to do. I am about to actually back the pumpkin out, put it over there because we gotta mess with vacuum lines. We gotta make sure this
What's
one
up?
is
It's your boy
perfect
Drizzy Drake, and you
before
are now
we
rocking with
register and
Pain.
get it back on the road. That's basically where we left off with this car. It's been a year since it's been running. Hop in this bad boy. No check engine lights or anything. It seems to be running good for a junkyard motor that we picked up and put some new heads on it. Sounds pretty cool. Trying to keep it out of boost here, but we made it around the block. So far, so good. Test drive went smooth. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. Now we're moving over to my WRX here. Didn't fully show you guys, but 2012 sedan, and I don't know the color blue, so I'm not a true YouTuber. I had to get you guys the cold start because this thing has like a janky straight pipe on it, and the cold start's pretty rad. Pretty sweet cold start. Everyone loves a good cold start. Big bars. Has some janky duckbill on it with a tow hook. Pull it in. The window's open, trying to let it air out, and then it rained because I'm shot. Nothing crazy with this car. She's just a stock WRX. Reason why I actually got it cheap is it has a slight third gear ground that wasn't too bad, so I wasn't too worried about it. Transmissions are like $1,500, and after like a month or 2, I found a transmission, which we have right over here. And over the next couple days or week or so, gonna be in the next video, I'm gonna start swapping this transmission to get this thing registered to hopefully daily this winter for at least the winter months. I'm not sure what else we're gonna do. I'm thinking coilovers lower a little bit and maybe wrap it because the paint isn't the best. It's really not the worst either though. It does have a rust patch over here. Right there, that's the worst rust patch it's got. And then just little dings. It's got a little blemish right here, but nothing crazy. So it's in decent shape. 150,000, 2012 WRX. Comment below. How much do you think I got it for? I think it's the cheapest one in the United States. I think boys and girls, whoever's watching this, thank you. We're gonna catch a next video where we'll be digging a little bit into this car. We got endless projects going on at the barn. New vlog set up, so we're ready to come back and start grinding out some videos, guys. Drop us a like, subscribe. Catch you next time.
So many motherfucking hundreds, you gotta make it part 2. I'm not in competition with my homies, I'm whipping the competition in the rolling. I knew my opposition never knew me, they wouldn't be opposition if they know me. I made a proposition to my hitters, I told them to knock them down if you owe me. I just been signed round here in the building, we moving, we got pounds in them 40s. Them niggas got shot down, we was touring my homie a op now, so we on it. I was like 16 with the Mac on me deep in the field like it's Pop Warner. Where did the shit scene? Niggas cracked on me when they got real, try to slide on us. I made some meals, put the guys on it, we keeping it real, niggas not. And my homie is savage, got put in a casket and I'm mad at him cause he died on us. Just left his viewing and I told his mom every time that she cry we gon' slide on her. I look you niggas right there in the eye and I ain't surprised you ain't ride for us.